For joining us on this Thursday night. Another fabulous weather day across the valley as we saw some slightly cooler temperatures. Looking at all the pilots out there getting some flight hours in at Hector. We do have quiet conditions. Let's check in on this chance of rain in your forecast. First and foremost, we're going to get through Friday undisturbed as far as precipitation chances go. And in fact, warm and some wind will help dry out that topsoil a little more. But we do have rain on the way for those of you wanting to get out in the fields. Some of us could get some good soakers and rumbles of thunder with this. It doesn't look severe. However, we could have some locally heavier rainfall amounts. This moves up Saturday late in the day. So we're talking afternoon into evening. Then overnight it moves up north and sets up camp up along the international border for Sunday, and it spends much of the day up there. So Saturday into Sunday, a best chance of shower activity here, and then next week we'll have a couple of more chances. Where you see the light blue shades here, we'll see a few tenths of an inch of rain, but where you see the greens, there'll be a chance for some, particularly under any thunder showers, to get locally heavier rainfall to the tune of around a half inch or even a little bit more. We'll keep you posted on that as we look at your currents at Hector. It is 61 out at Moorheads Airport. It's 55. 8:41 was the time of sunset tonight. The wind, by the way, quieting down. Now, we've had that northerly wind today, cooling things off just a pinch over yesterday's high temperatures. And now we're in the 40s in Langdon, 57 for Bemidji, 58 in Grand Forks. Fergus Falls and Detroit Lake both in the 50s at this hour as well for a quiet night. Showers, thunderstorms rumbling towards Omaha through Nebraska. A couple are severe there, not far from North Platte, Wichita, out to the west, seeing some severe weather as well. This unsettled weather pattern is heading our way, as we just showed you, into Saturday. But for tonight, very quiet and 40s to start your morning on Friday. That's fabulous. We'll have sunshine, but gusty winds will be from the east as we'll see a wind shift. You can pick out your hometown here. Look for yellow arrows. If you have the yellower arrow shades, you'll have a chance at some gusts over 30 miles per hour. But 15 to 30 mile per hour winds. Temperatures similar with increasing cloud cover across the area. Many of us will lose a couple of degrees on our day tomorrow, including us here in the Fargo area. 45 in the morning, rising into the low 70s for the afternoon. We'll be near 70 for most of the afternoon and early evening for another pleasant, albeit windier night. Keep that in mind. Get the hairspray ready. Justin, Betty, you know I will. As we take a look at your temperatures in your hometown, most of us in those 60s to near 70. Fiery sunsets thanks to all of the particulate matter in the atmosphere that's going on right now with burning and the like. All right, let's take a look at the next 3 days with your Pro-Seed farming forecast. Friday, as talked about, little winds drying things off. Good chance of measurable rain on Saturday. And then for Sunday, a little quieter with most of the rain chances shifting to the north. Next week, we'll have hit and miss shower chances, but the temperatures return to those upper 60s to, how about this? Choking up a little bit, but Saturday, Mother's Day weekend, 80 degrees, 67 for Mom with a couple of showers on Mother's Day.